me. No, when we finish. Okay, stay in the cover. Diego, put him in the cover. No, your student put in the cover.
Moses,
Moses.
put in the cover. Okay.
Guys, load, leg ready. Position 1, chest position. Same exercise. Well done. You have a... You need to be relaxed. You saw the stress. Okay, you understand. Don't give me your fist. Give me your hand. Just repeat left and right, no problem. Okay? In the cover, stand by! Up! 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 On low, show me clear.